There it is, guys. Cooking away. Oh, look at that corn. It's done. When y'all coming over? Welcome to my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell to see what I'll be cooking next. Do a chicken stew. First, we're going to start off with the Holy Trinity, normal Cajun ingredient. Just about everything we cook: celery, bell peppers, onions. I'm going to put some garlic in there. The white onions I'll cook with the white part. Use the green for garnish. Corn for a side dish. Chicken broth. Creole seasoning, just pick your favorite. We're going to make a roux. So a cup of flour, a cup of oil, and some chicken thighs and legs already cleaned up, ready to go. So let's get into this. Alright guys, let's get this seasoned chicken. We're going to bake the chicken, try to reduce some of that fat. Season it up, move it around, make sure everything's seasoned, coated good. You're going to lose some of that flavor in the oven, but it'll be alright. It would be better to marinate this for a little while, but who's got time for that? Alright. On the tray, parchment paper, dump that out, spread that around. You can pull the skin off if you want to go low fat. Fat's flavor though. I'm sure you heard that somewhere before. Make sure it's spread around good. No pieces touching, want some crispy bits. Get rid of this glove and into the oven. Let's go, guys. 400 degrees, middle rack. I'm going to set this timer 35 minutes. Time to do these vegetable prep. We want to get this ready so I could dump it in the roux once the roux is done, because I'm going to use the veggies to cool off the roux. And at the same time it's cooling off the roux, it'll cool it and brown them. So let me get these veggies peeled and I'll get back to you. Do some garlic. Now we're not going to put the garlic in with the rest of the vegetables. I don't want them to burn as soon as I drop it in that hot roux. So we'll keep that on the side. Good enough, good enough. And I want to do another piece of bell pepper for the corn. That should be enough. Red. A little bit of red and green, make it pretty. It'll just be like a seasoned corn, unlike the mock shoe that we usually do, which is a smothered corn dish. Alright guys. Alright, time to start the roux. I'm going to use about 3/4 of this oil first. We'll save some for later, in case we need it. Don't need it all. Dump in the flour, start mixing. We'll crank the heat up to high. And make sure you get all the lumps out of this roux. You don't want lumps in your roux. But if you start off cold and mix while it's heating up, it usually dissolves pretty good. Oh, you see that gray in the pot? That's why you don't boil water in a Magnolite pot. Alright, we're going to wait for the temp to come up. It'll take a few minutes. Everything's mixed. Won't need that anymore. We'll go with the spoon, the Cajun spoon, cut off to make it flat, so you could stir that roux. I'll put a link in the description. Alright guys, that's about the color I want. So I'm going to turn it all the way on low, then dump it in the veggies. I'm going to cook this down for a few minutes. I don't know if you could smell it in here. All right. Gonna dump them garlic in there. Getting it ready. Let me cook that garlic a little bit. I'll dump a little in there. Mix it around. See how hot that stuff is. Alright guys, we didn't season this roux. Only the veggies, so I'm going to add a little bit more Tony Chachere's in here. Maybe, I don't know, 3/4 of a tablespoon, maybe to a half. But you could season it to your taste. Just go light on it. Let it cook down a while, taste it. Just keep on adding. It's been simmering for a good, I don't know, 20 minutes. And now we're going to start putting that chicken in there. Here we go guys, chicken. It's not fully cooked, but it will in this pot. And you can see that fat in there. See all that chicken fat? It's healthy food. So we'll simmer this about 20 minutes and check it, see where we're at. Alright guys, corn is looking good. I'm going to turn that down to low. Just let it simmer, and crank it back up. Making rice. Alright guys, everything is done. Let's make a plate. Look at that fluffy rice. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Rice. Let's grab a plate glass. Hope it ain't steaming up the camera. Alright, let's get a little bit of corn in here. bring you over here. Let's get some gravy. Excuse me, guys. We're gonna get it. All right. Can we see that? Gravy is good. Meat is falling apart, falling apart. All right, let's go over here. Let's go over here. See what we got here. See what we got here. Grab a fork, a knife. Oh, look at that, falling apart tender. You see that? You don't even need a knife to cut this chicken. There it is, guys. When y'all coming over? When you coming over? Ooh, look, I forgot the toppings. Let's get that on there. Does that make it look better?